Hello, today I have Xiaomi Black Shark 4 from the European distribution, and I will show you what we can find in the box set. So I will open it quickly and we will check if we have a charger, cable, maybe some kind of the headphones, and also we can check for additional accessories like case and some kind of the screen protection. So let's get started. Okay, and it will be probably the last cut, and we will be inside. Okay, so finally we can open it. Okay, it's not that easy, but we can finally go here inside. Okay, and that's it. We're going to put it back. Here we got some kind of the QR code. Oh, we can even try to scan this code. Let me do this with my private smartphone. Let's see what is going to happen when we try to scan that QR code. Let me just turn on the flashlight. Okay, unfortunately I cannot scan this QR code in my phone. Never mind, let's go back to the to the box set. So here we got the Black Shark logo. We can open it like that, and what we can find here. Okay, so as you can see here we got the paperwork, the few stickers, 3 stickers. That looks really nice, to be honest. Here we got probably the quick guide and some kind of safety information. Okay, I'm going to put it back. And as you can see here we got the case for our smartphone. We are going to put it on the phone. Let's go forward, and here we can also find, let me show you, it's the SIM tool. And that's all. Okay, I'm going to close it right now. And here we have the smartphone. I'm gonna open it, but take a look here. Here we got the specs of our smartphone. And as you can see, if you want to get more info, you can go for the Facebook, Black Shark Global. So there's the quick information about our device. And here we can find USB-C cable with the QR code. It's made in China, and this cable got the signature orange color in 2 places. Also we got big brick to charge, and it's 67 watt, so that's a lot, and the smartphone will charge really fast. We got also another QR code. Okay, and right now let's go to our smartphone. Let's remove it gently. And here it is. Oh, it looks really nice. The back cover looks really awesome, to be honest. 3 cameras, LED light. Let's turn it on. So as you can see on the right side we can find power key with fingerprint sensor. Here we got some kind of the switcher, and it's probably from the silent and the vibration mode, like in the OnePlus smartphone or iPhone. Or no, it's about the triggers, as you can see. So when we enable these 2 buttons, we can use the triggers for gaming. Wow, that's nice. We can also close them by moving the switcher, right, like that. Here we got the speaker and also this one, so we got the dual speakers, USB-C port, jack port for headphones, Nice. Okay, let's quickly turn on the phone. We can change for the English. I'm going to also put this case to our phone. It's a plastic case. It looks like that. So unfortunately this case not cover the sides right here and right here, so it's not fully protected above the drops, but it will definitely improve the grip and our phone will be not that thicker, so maybe it's not that bad. But honestly I just prefer more built-in cases to get better protection. But okay, it's really nice. It will definitely get us some help when we drop our phone like that or like that. So I'm going to quickly set it up, the device, without the internet. Okay, the setup is complete, and here we got this XIAOMI Black Shark skin, and the display looks really awesome. It's so smooth. Let's see what we can find in the display section. Okay, it will be probably... Wait, where is the refresh rate? Let's check it out. Refresh rate. Okay, it's here. So we can go for the standard 60 Hz, 90 Hz for ultra high, and ultimate for 120. Of course, the best for the gaming, because it drains a lot of battery. So when you are outside, definitely go for the ultra high or standard. It will drain less battery than the ultimate. Let's take a photo. Let's take a look on the camera. It looks nice, and also there's good blur around our main object on the photo. Here we got some kind of the watermark on the photos. Let's see what kind of the Android we have here. Probably 11. Yeah, it's Android 11. And here we got the Easter egg of the Android 11. So as you can see, guys, in the XIAOMI Black Shark 4 from European distribution, we can find the plastic case that cover our smartphone, USB-C cable, a big charger brick, and some kind of the quick specs, and also safety information and a quick tutorial how to use our smartphone, and that's all. And of course the stickers, I just forgot about mention that at the end. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.